Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please kindly subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I've made this short tutorial for beginners. I did this up close tutorial so that they can understand. Every time I upload a ventilating tutorial, I get questions like they don't understand what I mean when I say ventilate one hole and skip one hole. So I decided to do this up close tutorial showing you how. So right here I'm ventilating one hole right here, as you can see, picking two strands of hair. Then I'm going to do this the entire line, and on the next horizontal line I'm going to ventilate in front of the hole that I skipped in the previous line. So in front of the hole that you skipped in the previous horizontal line, that's where you are going to ventilate, and the hair that you are ventilating right here is going to cover that space that we left in the previous line. So it's going to cover in between that line. It's like when you do braids, like a bricklayer method. That is the same thing that I'm doing right here, ventilating in front of the hole that I skipped on my previous line. So I hope you understand and you get a better understanding if I upload like a tutorial doing this method in the future. So I did this for beginners. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Like if you have something else, any request, anything that you don't understand, you can ask. So beginners, thank you so much for coming to the channel. Thank you so much for the questions. I hope you learned something. So please watch to the end, and goodbye.